To create my website, I used Wix.com. This is my home page. On my home page, I have pictures that relate to my theme, which is child development as it's titled. My home page talks about what this website is used for. Below I have some contact information, email, phone number, and YouTube. If you click on the YouTube, it'll take you to my YouTube page. And then here are my other pages. I have the stages, which is child development stages, which this page includes information about the stages as well as 2 videos that play as automatically as soon as you hit the play button. And then I have a PowerPoint that I created a while back that you can open. And then on the types page, it's the types of development, which is the 3 main types are included here, and then below that is more information about each one. I have 2 website links on mine, which if you click on them, they open. And then I have a PDF for one of them. And then I also have this one, which is connected to my page, so you don't even have to go to it. You just can read through the information on it. And then my final page is the page about me, which includes some information about myself as well as some pictures of myself so the people who look at the website can get to know me a little bit better. And yeah.